Hey, you there. Are you looking for high quality stream? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to have a look at Riverside. Riverside allows you to record remotely with super high quality output. So, if you're looking for exactly that, you're in the right place. So, without further ado, let's climb straight in. So, the first thing you want to do here is jump into riverside.fm. So, from the homepage, you will see there are quite a few options, right? So what we want to do, from your dashboard on the left hand side, you will have different studios. Now, different studios are just basically different spaces where you can work with different people or even do different projects. So you can go straight to your studio, which you can set up, or you can plan a recording which will be recorded on a specific day or date. You can also upload a recording, so you can edit it straight in Riverside over here. And then we also have an AI voiceover, which we can use for our video. Now, if you're going over to the studio, which I'm going to open up right now, you will see the page that we were just on, right? So on the left hand side here, you can set up your studio, such as your host name, which is you. And then you can also specify whether or not you're wanting to be using headphones during your stream. And if you are not using headphones, you will have a level of feedback. So if you're saying I'm not using headphones, you'll have a feedback cancellation added on there. So what we can also do is on the right hand side, you can see my camera. And I've got a camera in my laptop. I've also got a remote camera sitting on the right hand side over here. So the HD user facing camera, that's this one right over here. It's in my laptop and this is 720. So what I can do is I can change my camera. So this is the primary camera that I'd like to use. I'm actually using my phone as a remote camera, as you can see right over here. And I'm using an app called Irion. And it's quite simple. All you need to do is download it from your app store as well as your desktop, and you can connect your devices. You can now also choose your microphone from right over here, and I am choosing this Samsung right here. So what we're going to do is your default headphones. This is where your sound output is coming from. So I've selected these, and I'm just going to select that I am using headphones, and we're going to join studio. So this is basically where you can run your entire stream from. So at the bottom, you have some settings. You can record, you can adjust your mic, your camera, your speaker. You have a script option as well as a teleprompter. So this area right over here at the top is your script area. And then you've also got a screen share. So if you click on screen share, you'll actually share your entire screen and not just this camera right over here. So on the right hand side, you can invite people. You can also choose if they have the audience capabilities, guest or producer, and then you can just copy this link and you can send that out. On the right hand side, you can manage all of the people within your stream, so you can see all of the settings for each one of them. You can also have a chat within your stream, so if you want to chat to maybe your audience, if you want to answer questions or that sort of thing, it's right in there. You also can set up your brand, you can add text overlays, and you can also add media overlays to your actual stream live while you're recording. Once you're done with this and you've created a recording and it's done, it will now start to upload, and you want to go over to the button where you'll find your actual recording. Okay, so this is where you'll find it, and this is basically what it looks like. So this is a recording that I did prior to this video. I intentionally didn't comb my hair. So this is what it looks like. And I was using the camera on the laptop without any lighting. What you can do here is share this video. There are also some options to have the video clipped for you. So if you want to clip it into short form for social media, you can do so. But what's quite nice is there's a built-in editor. So if you click on the editor over here on the screen, on your video, you can actually go ahead and edit this video right here before you actually share it to social media or before you upload it. So again, what you can do here is edit your video So on the right hand side, you've got your tracks. You can change your layout. You can add text overlays as well as image overlays and video overlays. You can change your aspect ratio over here. You can see if you're using different social media platforms, you can change it over here. And then we've got an editor at the bottom where you can cut and you can play around with taking out maybe filler words or scenes that you don't want from your video. On the right hand side, you can click on export. You can export video, you can export audio, you can change the quality settings, you can remove your watermark, and then you can also play around with the background noise as well as normalizing your audio levels. Now, if you have not yet checked out Riverside, you can jump into riverside.fm and it's free to sign up. You can check out some of their features and see if it works for you. It is an awesome website. I will be using it in the future. Now, if you enjoyed this, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.